You don't. Damn it! No! He's like, turn the light off, Mom! Well, stand back here so it's not in your face. Oh, turn around! You wanted the light out of your face! Daddy's making me laugh too.